John, Lightwell are very well known in the market for your work around IBM MQ. How does that affect the up-and-coming technology that is blockchain, and how do you marry those two technologies together?
So you probably know that blockchain is all about having a shared ledger, a single source of truth, as it was, is the way I put it. So there are a couple of use cases there. We see people literally using it as a shared ledger in monetary systems. There's also one which is very near to our heart, which is about supply chain and ensuring that you know exactly where something is in the supply chain and originally where it came from. Now, blockchain comes with its own technical challenges. We're often joining up new systems which can be disparate, so they might be over networks which you've never gone over before, or they're moving different sets of data that we've never done before. And that brings its own sets of challenges. Fundamentally, you might be increasing the latency, whereas before you had a local database. Maybe you just got one centralized version of the truth, which actually now is going to take a lot longer to reconcile. And this is exactly where IBM's MQ comes in. It's been around for 25 years, this year in fact. It does exactly that. It joins disparate systems up. So what IBM has done is they've introduced a new piece of function this year. It's called the MQ Bridge for Blockchain, which helps you get over that extra bit of latency which you've now got when you're dealing in a blockchain environment. If you're looking at blockchain and you have MQ already, the chances are that you can use this new feature.
So John, how are Lightwell helping customers with their MQ and blockchain integration?
Lightwell is an integration specialist. This is what we do. We've been doing it for over 20 years now. So my role, specifically in Lightwell's role, is to make sure that our customers are aware of these new innovations. As I say, MQ's been around for 25 years. Blockchain is new kid on the block. So we're helping the customer understand the relationship between the two, sometimes completely different technologies.
John, thanks so much for joining us today and giving us Lightwell's view on how blockchain can integrate with IBM MQ.
No, thank you.